We are out of whipped cream and we'd love to have it with our dessert tonight. So we're going to make whipped cream out of whipping cream. The only other ingredients we need are a little flavoring of any kind you want. We love vanilla and a little bit of sugar. And that's it. As long as you got a machine that's going to be able to whip it up for quite some time, we'll get started. So pour all the whipping cream in. Looks like milk, but it's thicker. And I only have a tiny bit of vanilla left, so we're going to use all of that. And a couple spoons of sugar. Okay, we're going to turn this on low until it's really blended, and then we're going to turn it on high for a long time, 5-10 minutes, however long it takes till it gets the right whipped consistency. Okay, so it's well mixed, but it has a lot of whipping to have happen yet. We just want to watch that when it starts to form stiff peaks, that we stop and test the consistency, because we don't want it to become butter. That would be disappointing if we went too far. But we are going to go for a while, so we're putting on high now. Okay, so we're going to test this. It looks like we may have gone a little too far already. You can see it is stiff, but it's whipped and it's kind of in between whipped cream and butter. So we could have done it a little bit less. It'll taste the same, but it's a very warm day, so we'd rather have it creamy. So it tastes like whipped cream. So this tastes like whipped cream with a little bit thicker texture, and it'll be great on our rhubarb crisp this afternoon.